Hello, everybody. I've got another H case for you. If I posted the G case already, I also mentioned that I got an H case from Mattel after I did the H case unboxing from A and J Toys. Mattel sends me everything, but we don't always know when it's going to arrive. But I've always said when I get a case, even if it's a repeat, I'm going to open it so you guys can see if there's anything different. Maybe we find something fun, an error, or a super, whatever. And also, these models get donated to the local children's hospital, and so nothing wrong with that. Let's get them opened up, have a look, and then get them donated, right? So like I said, these came with several cases from Mattel. Actually, I'm filming today. I don't know exactly when I'm going to post, but let's get right to it. The H case, like I said, we already did an unboxing. We will see what's inside. I believe the super, if we're looking for it, the H case is this guy. It's the Jag F-type. Sorry, I had a little technical difficulty. All right, let's get right to it. Open these up. We start with the track manga. There's the super kit or whatever, super pursuit mode, and then the Range Rover Classic. We're not gonna, I'm gonna, like the G case I did, I'm not gonna talk about everything, but we'll try and at least notice the notables. Don't think we got a super in this one because there is the regular and it's in black. Looks really good. I'll put that together with the super just in case you want to see them. Really dig the super on this one. Like the black version too, but the super with those 10 spokes looks really, really cool, and that kind of metal flake, or not metal flake, but that gunmetal Spectre Flame, kind of cool. All right. Acura custom small block. Oh, well, there's something interesting. That one must have taken a hit. So we got a Subaru, we got a blister, and now it looks like a card that's almost, there you go. We'll put that off to this side. There's the DeLorean in the disc wheels and the Lotus Sport Elise. BMW R9T Racer in the middle. Remember, some of these have the chrome wheels, or like the chrome at least printed wheels, and then others don't. This one does not. McLaren F1 GTR, always a treat. Volkswagen Baja Bug. There's the K for Racer from the last case, which was the Super track manga again. I don't know why. See, I'm starting to do this again. I really did like this DiMacchini Veloci, kind of based on an old sports car. Two notables here, definitely the Jeep Cherokee in green and the Morris Mini. That is your regular treasure hunt. There's your symbol right there. A lot of people digging that one. Phil Reelman. I didn't even notice the last time I did that his name is on there. Phil has done a lot of designing, including the drag bus, R34 Skyline. Lots of cool things. New M5 BMW. Like the locomotor in gold, and Lucid Air, of course. I think we've seen all of those. From the G case. Ford Bronco's new to that case. There's that JDM Legends RX3. And then I think this is new to the case too, is the recolor of the Golf 47 GT40 Mark IV. Okay, let's see what else we've got in this case. There's the Audi RS e-tron GT. That is definitely a highlight in this case. I'll put these over here now. It seems like all those, look at all the, I guess it's because the box took a bit of a hit, but doesn't that kind of look small? Kind of funny. All right. Nothing too notable there. Seen these, but we haven't seen the Koenigsegg Jumeirah, at least in the last case, but I mean, we've all seen that one. Seen it in stores, seen it here. Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400, I didn't mention that last time, but that is a recolor of the new model, so we'll add that to the new model pile. And I love the Moon Eyes Chevy Fleet line. That goes into my Moon Eyes collection. Didn't show the Porsche and the Batmobile. Pretty standard group. Pretty standard group. Not standard models, but standard group. Batmobile. Ford GT is new to the case. There's the Hummer. Dodge Charger. Yeah, none of these. This Jeep Gladiator recolor is new to the case. We're just plowing through these, right? Porsche 935. There's another Audi. And we'll finish off. Oh yeah, the Tesla. That's also new to the case. You notice with the Mix 5, Matchbox Mix 5 preview, I compared this one to the Matchbox model. And we finish off Alfa Romeo, and then those. It's an okay case, right? This one was, I think the Audi e-tron and the Koenigsegg are the highlights. Maybe there's something I'm forgetting that I like too, but we've had some really exciting cases. This one, okay. But yeah, let's see what we do with, I've got I think I have a K case and a J case and some others. Maybe in a couple of store exclusives, we'll open those up too. They'll be on the regular Lamley channel. Thanks everybody. Bye.